I'm Sanket, and I'm a designer developer, and I also co-founded this company, GeekyAnts, and I go by the Twitter handle Sanket Sahu. I can see one person who's not following me from this room. Go ahead and follow me. Just kidding. Great. So I love to build things. When I say build, there are two sides of it. One is make it beautiful and make it functional, and that's why I love design and code. And that's when you want to build apps, websites, you have to have a little bit of knowledge of design and code right now. And when we can skip the code part, that actually makes it no code. And that's why this perfectly sets the tone of this meetup, that going from design to straight away to real apps. And that also is my mission: empower everyone to build things. I know people who come to meetups and who are from GeekyAnts, they're already bored of these lines, but that's what it is. I keep saying that over and over again. And I also see people saying that over and over again, like Yashasvi just mentioned a few words. Then I guess Himanshu is also going to talk about that. And when we want to do this, we have built some tools and products. So the first one is Builder X, which is a design tool, which is a no code tool, much like Figma. I mean, a little bit like Figma, not too much, but yeah, that's the tool, Builder X. And on the left side, you get a canvas. You can go ahead and design, much like Figma or any other design tool, and you get the code out of it. And that code is React and React Native, which can be consumed straight away uh, in mobile apps, web apps. So yeah, this is the tool that we built, and yeah, we also had a demo where we were running this on a simulator, and yeah, we're not actively maintaining this tool anymore, but we still are behind the same dream of empowering everyone to build things and building a tool or using a tool that helps you build without coding. The second one is a more of a developer inclined tool or library that we built, that's Native Base, which is a UI component library for React and React Native. This is a universal library. If you use Native Base, you can deploy your apps to Android, iOS, and web. This was our step one towards low code. So we are building on the layer two using Native Base that can enable non coders to build web and mobile apps. And yeah, all these things are happening at GeekyAnts. And as Yashasvi mentioned, we are a social first, community driven software company. We are more than 500 people strong. That happened last week. I'm very proud of it. And yeah, apart from the tools that you saw, we are a software services and a product company. But most of the revenue is generated by all the services that we do. So we have great clients. We build a lot of apps. A couple of them are MPL and Khata Book. Those are out of NDAs. That's why we can say that. And coming back to social first, we run a lot of meetup groups. The top one is React Native Bangalore, and then we have Flutter Bangalore. Then we have Svelte Bangalore. These are like developer centric meetup groups. We have started non-technical and business meetup groups as well. But React Native Bangalore is the world's largest React Native meetup group. So yeah, this was the first one, in fact, that we started. Yeah, code of conduct, I think everyone knows it, and we have a small group of people, so we wouldn't have any problem, and people know each other. But yeah, these are the things that you should be doing and you should not be doing. Do not use any hate speech and inappropriate comments. Keep it light. Try to use gender neutral words. Try not to use guys. Okay. Be respectful. Refrain from using strong words. Keep politics out of the discussion, please. This is a space for growth and learning. Promote that, and yeah, get to know people around you. Don't be shy. This is the flow of the meetup. Host Yashasvi, then me. Then the first talk is by Himanshu. He's going to talk about the need for better app builders. Himanshu is also one of the guys who worked on Builder X. And then we have Saurav joining online. He's going to talk about the rise of citizen developers. I really wanted to meet Saurav today, but he's joining remotely. Anyway, I'll probably meet him in Kormangla someday. And then we have a break at 4 p.m., 15-minute short break. followed by Mayank speaking on potential of headless CMS as a low-code tool, and then followed by a panel discussion with the speakers. And then we party. All right, stay kind and humble, learn from each other, build great things.